How to unlink your Xbox account from Riot Games. Hi everyone, this is Kate here and welcome back to the channel. And on today's video, we will learn how we can unlink Xbox account from Riot Games. So without further delay, let's get started. First of all, open up a browser, head towards riot.com and make sure that you're signed in into your account. Now to remove your Xbox account, click on My Account at the top right, head over to Settings. Under your settings on riotgames.com, you have to scroll down under account management and there's a section as connected accounts. So from here, if you have already linked your Xbox account, then instead of plus icon, you might see minus. So you have to click on that minus icon. After that, follow the on-screen prompt to confirm your process, and once you're done with that, your Xbox account will be removed from your Riot Games. That's it. That's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more videos.